up, boys? Music. What up, boys? What up, girls? How are you doing? Music. What up, guys? Tuesday, boys, and then I'm ready. Tuesday. Okay, I'm there now. Let's go, guys. Okay, I'm there. How are you doing? Let's go, guys. Okay, oi, oi, oi. Hello, Mr. C, HK, TB, what's up, guys? Frederick, welcome, buddy. Prepin, how you doing? 08, welcome. How you doing, guys? Let me put this on as well. Gold, gold, gold. Oi. Oi, oi, oi. How you doing, guys? How you doing? Are we on futures? Yes, this is futures. This is futures. Hello, Zach. How you doing? Welcome, Winston. Romeo, welcome. Belake. Welcome, buddy. Hello, Debated. I fucking woke up and then I just see the price fucking right below the price, the zone. I was like, damn, need to go live fast. Hello, Ray Bayo. How you doing, buddy? So let's see if gold can manage to fucking push. I'm actually more into longs, to be honest. So let's see what happens. What's the zone? I can't tell the numbers. I mean, on the chart, the potential zone is 3455.4. But I think we have to find a different key level, to be honest, because we rejected right below it. So we think we have to adjust it a little bit. Yeah, getting me is I think it will push up for NY at that rate. I mean, like, if we look at the past 13 weeks, I mean, we have reversed every single high, so it should be time sooner or later to break out of the fucking range. You can see what I mean. like this is the weekly chart. So you can see every time we just have a top wick when we try to break out. So let's see if this is actually a breakout or not. I see 95 in my chart wise, because it's futures. This is on futures. Futures, my friend. That's the reason. The monitoring zone we had 2 days ago is actually running fucking crazy. 400 pips. That's pretty. But most of us don't trade futures. I mean, then it's time to switch, baby. Then it's time to switch. I mean, it's $50 legit. Only $50. $50 is nothing. It is like nothing. I also have 68 and 74 as cells. They kind of look better, to be honest, because we rejected below the previous. And also because I'm pretty bullish, so cells is kind of tricky. So close. You got the live account. What live account are we talking about? I mean, on Topstep, yes. I have multiple lives. Topstep about 30. No, that one. No. It has to be 30 winning days. You know, trades where you win. I'm pretty sure. Not just 30 days, but also 30 winning days. You know, in a small period of time. Jesus Christ. I mean, deep gold. I mean, we have a decent buy zone if we pull back. This place would actually be pretty good. Take long, so let me put it on. Then let me make this one smaller. How does this look? Let me check. I think it's easy to see, right? Yeah. Should be good. But this is the plan for today, guys. I think. Not quite sure yet. But I think the buy zone is good. I'm gonna take the buy zone no matter what. But the sell zone is kind of tricky right now. What's the time frame? This is the 30 minutes. Kaita, I actually have both. I use broker and propfirm. There's moves in the market daily, 50 to 100 pips, maybe more. I don't understand why you wait so long and try to catch a move with many pips. Really, it would be more beneficial to take trades daily. I mean, it's just come down to simple math and then understanding risk. That's why. Of course, the market moves 100 pips daily. That doesn't mean it's in a good parameter. And you can see when I take a trade, it's 400 pips, 300 pips. So one trade is the same as 20 other guys combined. Do I need a broker or can I just stick with Topstep? You can just use Topstep. I mean, I pretty much love Topstep because the risk is $50. So when the risk is so low, you can pretty much just fucking leverage the shit out of it. Like you can trade very aggressively and then still only lose $50, which is pretty beautiful, in my opinion. Hey, welcome Supicio. How you doing, buddy? How you doing, buddy? What to type in and where to put it. You just have to press the one. Like, it's very easy. It literally says buy now. You just have to press that button with the one contract. Don't you have to put any numbers in? No, you can take a market execution. And then after you enter the trade, you can like move the blue line up and down to adjust it. That's simple, just one click. Yes sir, buddy. Just one click. You can even look here. I can do this, and I can just press this. Buy limits 1, or sell stop 1, or market sell 1, or market buy 1. So yeah, you can do that. Very easy. What's the name of the Topstep? I mean, the name is Topstep. If I don't know what you mean. Welcome, Ellie Kuvi. How you doing, buddy? Welcome. How you doing, buddy? Goalie. If I have to be completely honest, I think the sell zone is too early. I think the sell zone is too tight. If I have to be, if I have to say my honest opinion, I think the sell zone is trying to squeeze sells that's not existent. But yeah, just my opinion. I think it's too early. Or like too low. It's not a good premium price. Just the daily closed so high, and then yeah. Let's wait and see. I still have the key levels above that I think is a way better price. Time frame. This is 30 minutes. 30-minute time frame, buddy. Welcome, by the way. Oh, let me put this one on so you can see it's actually gold. That's true, Zach, but it also what keeps my accuracy so high. So it's a kind of tricky situation because it's benefiting me, but on Topstep you should be caring less about accuracy because the risk is $50. So I have to stop trading like it's a live account and then just fucking go crazy, you know. But it's also because people are copying it, so I want to make sure it's a banger, you know. If it's just myself, I would probably have taken it. Sorry, I'm new to trading. For trading in general, you have videos on how to read candlestick. I have videos, but it's not on YouTube. Sorry. There will be YouTube soon, but right now it's not on YouTube. It's on Telegram. Sorry, buddy. But soon there will be. Don't worry. I think gold is gonna reach the sell zone very soon, guys. Like, it looks like we are slowly getting there. That's true, Zach. That's also what I need to think about instead when I take the trade. That is indeed what I need to fix. Let me check. Is it Vantage you're talking about? No, I'm talking about Topstep, the propfirm we use. Art Valente. It sounds like a good idea, but it's very fucking hard. Like you're inviting yourself into a world that you wish you never entered. Let me tell you that. Like your mind is gonna be fucking destroyed after 1 or 2 years. But it's worth it if you get through it and you get on the other side of the rainbow. But at the beginning, it's kind of fucking like hitting. You have to have passion about trading, otherwise you're not gonna make it, because the passion is what gonna help you through the tough times. That's why so many people quit, because they think trading is fun and they don't have the passion about it. And then when they realize it's not fucking fun, and then yeah. I mean, I literally dropped out of college before I even made a single penny because I was passionate about trading. I saw trading and the first day I was like, this is fucking it. And then I was like, see ya. And then Just full grind. Futures. I mean, I also have Vantage, like a live account, like a real live account as well. That's actually the one I've been using the past 6 years. And then when I saw Topstep with $50 for 50k, I was like, damn, I might need to try that. And then it was just juicy. It was perfect. What do you trade on Vantage? Same thing, yeah, just gold. It's basically just gold every single day, buddy. Nothing else. I am pretty much in love. I'm married with gold. Goldie, goldie. But yeah. I mean, I prefer the buy zone today, to be completely honest. You trade futures on Vantage? No, you trade the spot CFDs. That's like Forex, you know. But it's pretty much the same thing. Like, the only different is that on futures / Topstep, it's only $50 you can lose, which is pretty much the only thing I focus on. I don't care if it's futures or if it's Forex. I just care about the risk, and the risk is $50, so that opens up opportunities. You're right, I think buying is safer. I mean, buys looks juice today. Looks very juice. But Zeta, welcome. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Hope you're doing well. You're ready to grind. We just have to see what gold does and then just pretty much just adapt to that. I'm pretty positive about the buy zone though. Not live marketing goal, what you're talking about, so this is live. Can you show us the zones? I mean, do you not see it on the charts? I think you should be able to see this, the green and the gray box. How does Topstep work? Say if I buy a $50 account and I made 3k in a week, then it will turn in live and I can get paid. Yes. Mukul, that's correct. That is correct. I mean, you only need 3k to pass it, and then you will be upgraded to like a, you know, fake live account, but that's where you get the payouts. And then you can make up to 5k per week, and then you can withdraw the 5k. So, yeah. Once you pass the challenge, don't you get a fresh funded account, and then after that is profit? I mean, there's only 2 accounts. You have the challenge, that is one phase, and then you have the basically live accounts that you get payouts from. There's only 2 accounts you trade on. I made 120 on live account or challenge, because if it's on the challenge, you still have far to go. You should just you should go for runners or like high risk when it's only $50. No reason to do it slow and steady. Just fucking hit it with a bat and then just see if you can hit a home run And if you don't, you pay $50 again, and you just keep trying. Then eventually you get a payout, and then you made all of it back because it's only $50. Something I usually do is I connect one of the live accounts to the challenge. So when I pass the challenge, I made 3,000 on the live account. That's pretty nice. They have like a copy, what's it called? Connect and copy or whatever it's called. Where you can connect your accounts, so you can, yeah. Hello Nico, how you doing, buddy? How are we doing? I'm waiting for Asia high swap or maybe to be breaker. Let's see. I think selling at this level is not a good premium to sell at. I think we need to go higher at least before it's worth. I have to be quite honest. Sells this slow is not a great idea. It's not a great idea. I think it's gonna go straight through the zone. That's also why I placed the buy zone, because it's a fucking good buy zone. I still have sell zones above the potential sell zones, so we're not gonna miss anything by not taking this sell zone, because we have 2 good zones right above. And I think today is gonna be a strong bullish day, like one of those spikes days. So gotta be ready for that. How you doing, Nico, by the way? It's been a while since I saw your name in the chats. How you doing, buddy? How you doing, buddy? Can I get them cheeks if bearish, please? What? The fuck? Mamma mia. What is the most you have made of one contract? I mean, on the challenge, you have a, what is it called? Consistency rule, so you cannot make more than 1,500. That's kind of your maximum. But that's 150 pips. Then you have to close it, otherwise it's gonna violate the rule about the consistency rule. So. But it's still fine though, like, you just need 2 of those and then you pass it. It's like it's not that hard. What if you don't realize and it's over 1,500? Then you need to make whatever amount you made above 1,500 the next day. That means you probably have to make 3,000, let's say 3,300. I've been on vacation, now I'm back in business. Let's go, buddy. Nice to see Nico. Welcome back. The buy zone is 3409. No, it's 3435.5. So if I make 2,000 in one day, how much will I have to make the next? Then you will have to make 3,500 in total. It doesn't have to be the next day, but you have to make that in total, because you make 500 more than 1,500. You need to pass KYC. I mean, I think it's only once you have to what's it called? It's once you request a payout. But you will pass it, because otherwise the website wouldn't have allowed you to pay it to buy the account. So if your country allows it, I mean, your KYC will be accepted. As long as you're not a criminal, I guess. Do you think I can go for 1 or 3 lot for challenge? I mean, you can pretty much do whatever you prefer. I actually, funny enough, pretty much like 1 contract. I don't know why it's just so much easier, even though you need to make 5 times more pips. It's just the way you can position yourself and then just hit the swings and then you just let it run. I don't know why. 1 lots had been the easiest way for me to pass the challenges, even though I need 300 pips instead of 67 using 5 contracts. HK, once you pass it, you can make whatever you want. There is no consistency rule. It's only doing the challenge. And the consistency rule is just so people don't coin flip news in 1 day and then pass it. You know, it's to make it multiple days. Sorry. My brain is kind of cooked. Boom, boom, boom. That was my question for you. Once you pass the combine on 50k, what's the most you have made on one country? Oh, I have to check that. I have no fucking clue. I have no idea. I will have to check on the accounts. Come on, go. I have funding pip 0 and there is 15. What the fuck, dude? Why are you buying a account with a 15 consistency rule? That is literally corrupt. Like, that is fucked up, to be honest. Like, what is the price for the account? I mean, if I had 15% consistency rule, I will have to have like fucking $2 entry price. What does consistency rule mean? It just means that, let's say you have 50% consistency rule. That means 1 day cannot make more than 50% of the money of the account. So if you need to make, let's say 1,000, you have 50%. There's no days can exceed $500. So if you have, let's say 20, you cannot make more than $200 in 1 day. So it's basically just to limit coin flippers and people who gamble, I guess. can see the zones, but not the price points. Are you watching on phone or on PC? Phone? Oh. I don't know how it looks on phone, actually, because I see it on PC. I've never traded futures. May I ask you how much one contract is? Yeah, one contract is basically just like one lot. It goes hand in hand, so it's still, yeah. Cuts out before price bar. The fuck? Because on PC you can see the whole... let me check how it looks on phone. I can't see because I have like a blocking app. Leave the chart, make breakfast, and then price will move. True. How much do you need to make your 50k account reach before you can start using? I mean, you can use all the way up to 5 from the beginning. Like there's no limits you can use. Yeah. But isn't that more likely to lose if it goes the other way? I mean, you're, of course, like the higher lot, the higher risk. But again, the risk is still 50 bucks of your own money. That's what you have to look at. Like how much you lose inside the account doesn't matter. What you lose in real life matters, and you only lose 50 bucks. Oh, gold. Why is gold consolidating like this, man? Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. If you snooze, you lose. I might have to... I'm still gonna stay on the stream, but I'm thinking about going down and grab some food and then come back up. I'm still gonna be live though, but you know, just quickly run down. Pick it up. Pick it up, pick it up. You go, we will hit the sell zone. I mean, I have to go now. Then I'm still gonna be live, guys. I'm still gonna be live. I just need to grab the food quickly. Yeah. I'm back in 3 minutes. Okay, give me maybe not 3 minutes. That's 5 minutes. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be back in 5 minutes. Okay, just give me 5 minutes, guys. 2 seconds. Oy, oy, oy. I'm back, guys. Jesus Christ. That was a long 5 minutes. I'm back. The price didn't move at all. So is there a limitation of the numbers of trades per day? No, you can take as many as you want. As long as you don't make more than 50%, for the consistency rule, you should be good. What's for breakfast? McDonald's. That was the fastest I could get today. Normally I just eat rice and chicken, but not today. I didn't want to fucking spend time on that shit. Oh, these fries are insane today. Jesus. That's the best fries I've ever had. God damn. I mean, how fucking insane. I go live and then gold doesn't move again. Like, what am I doing wrong? Every time I go live, gold just freezes. It's unbelievable. Fucking nuts. I cannot remember a time where I went live and then the price moved to my zones. It's always fucking slow. I mean, on TikTok it actually, if I remember correctly, on TikTok it always came to my zone. And I went live later on TikTok. I think on TikTok it was 11 or something. I might have to do that. Bro's chart is so wrong. I mean, I think you're wrong. You don't know what futures is, buddy. I think you should learn about futures instead of talking first. You're the one looking stupid, not knowing what you're talking about. But at least you learned something new today. Hello, Ishaf. How you doing, buddy? May the whole world... Wait, what? Maybe the whole world is against you. Last time you moved your buy zone and gold went back up from previous buy zone? Wait, what? What are you talking about? I'm confused. Oh, you mean the monitor zone? All good, how are you? I'm also doing fine, bro. I'm also doing fine. Just waiting for gold to do some magic. While eating some fries, that is amazing. I'm surprised people attend these lives because they have patience. Maybe you don't have patience, but other people have. So, and they have seen what they get paid for waiting. So, some people know, some people don't. It's okay. I feel like I'm in the VIP chat. What do you mean? Your chart is not even today. I think you need an IQ test, buddy. I can send you a link. I can help you start it, and then can take the IQ test and then we can see if your brain is alright. Because I think you're delusional. I mean, he doesn't even know what he's talking about. Then he talks like he knows what he's talking about. That's the most embarrassing thing about it. That is the most embarrassing thing about it. Acting like he knows, but he doesn't even know. I mean, some people are just stupid, like straight up. They shouldn't be in trading in the first place. The mic is low. Is it better now? It's because I was eating some fries, so I didn't want you to hear all the fries getting completely destroyed in my mouth before I fucking, you know. Hello, Luca. How you doing, buddy? Let me eat my burger, Luca, and then I'm gonna try to fix it, okay? You have made me want to buy a burger too. I mean, you can do that. This one was fucking good, and the fries was even better. This was the action and burger. Rest of the regulars gone for me TikTok lives. Some used to have the funded account. I mean, TikTok is from 24, so it's pretty much a whole year ago almost. So people just I took a break also in 25, like early 25. I took a break of, I don't know, 3-4 months because I had to work on some stuff. So people just slowly disappear, but it's fine. I mean, it's still trading is the first focus, and then growing YouTube channel is second focus. Do we need to maintain profit streak in the live account as well? No, you don't have to have a win streak. The 5 days they are talking about inside is doesn't have to be in a row. It can be 1 day and then 2 days after, and then, you know. It's just for withdrawals. I mean, it doesn't have to be a win streak. You can have a win day, losing day, win day, losing day, winning day, losing day. You just have to have 5 winning days. And then whatever profit you have after that, you can withdraw. If that makes sense. Where are you from? I was Norway. Wait, what? Where are you from? Was it Norway? No, Denmark. Denmark, right below Norway. Did you get filled? I mean, I told you earlier on the stream that I think we're gonna go higher, so that's pretty much what I'm waiting for. I've been eating healthy grilled because of gym. I mean, that's good, bro. I mean, you just eat rice and chicken every day and you should be good to go. So for a sell, do I click on sell -1? Yeah, but don't do it now. Don't do it now. As I said, I think we're gonna go higher, so just wait and see. I do Forex training. I enjoy my food. I make a lot of healthy food. I just try to put on clean muscle mass. I mean, if it's for Forex or however you pronounce it, it's more like CrossFit, right? And I mean, not CrossFit, but like it's not bodybuilding, if you know what I mean. It's more like I don't know what the word is. I think you know what I mean. Mixture, yeah, mixture. Mixture. You see, guys, this is why I didn't enter the sell zone. I was pretty positive that we will continue higher than the sell zone, so no reason to enter when we have 2 sell zones above. Our training is a mixture of lifting and CrossFit, yeah. Do you like it? I mean, I prefer bodybuilding just to build as much muscle as possible. I don't really care about the healthy side. I know it sounds stupid, but I don't go to the gym to be healthy. Honest. I want to sleep. Oh. Also in your video, you have a screenshot of account risk settings. Is that something we need to do? Yeah, you need to put it on. The 800 and 1500, you need to put it on. It would help you not messing up the rules. So I would put that on if I was you, baby. Should I do it now? You can do it now if you want. We're still waiting for an intro. I haven't entered yet. I think the sell zone is too early. I think today's gonna be a spike, so I would prefer premium price or the buy zone. So copy how you have it exactly. Yes. Hello Dion, how you doing, buddy? Welcome, sir. Welcome, buddy. I also yesterday bought a fucking insane, like a big whiteboard so I can start to make very good video trading ideas on that whiteboard. It's gonna be fun. See what I can mix of good ideas to make. And then very soon I'm gonna get all the stuff I bought to do all the giveaways on the stream. That's gonna be fun as well. There's gonna be 5 giveaways you can get daily if it works. I hope it works what I bought. Then there will be 5 giveaways you can get every single day on the stream, which I think it will make it more fun while we wait for entries. But I don't know how long the delivery takes on that stuff. Hopefully not too long. By the way, guys, I'm CEO of a company very soon that's gonna go public, and I'm pretty excited to show you. And I hope if you need the product that I use, that you will use it, and I can give you a discount for helping, and then hopefully give a good review on it. But it's a pretty exciting company. I've been working a lot on it as well, and I think next week we go public. Maybe not next week, 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Are you waiting for price to step more? What do you mean by step more? I mean, the sell zone I think is too early, to be honest. I think if we get an anchor setup up here, I will take the sell, but just trading into nothing at this level is kind of dangerous. Let me know about the product. I will just send everything and then see what people think about it. I think it's fucking insane. I mean, it's not a product it's more like a service and product. It's like both. you understand when you see it. I think we're gonna take over the fucking industry in that one. The guy I work with is a fucking genius. Like, he was the highest, what is it called? He was the highest, what's the word? Like, graduate, what is it called? Like the highest, he has the highest scores in the at school. Like, he has the best, what is it even called? The best notes? I don't know, not notes. What is the word? Best score, you know what I mean? He got A+ in everything. Like, he was fucking insane. And I managed to talk him to start this company with me. Results, yeah. There is a different word for it, but I actually forgot the word. But you know what I mean? You know, when you go to school, you get like A+, minus, and you know all that shit. And he has the highest out of everyone. He was a fucking, like, he knows everything. So I contacted him. I called him up and like, we have to meet. And then I showed him the idea, and then, you know, grades. Yeah, grades. Thank you. That was the one. Grades. Yeah. He has the highest grades. Yeah. That was the word. Thank you. And then I just called him, and we met, and then I showed him all this stuff, and then company built. And then it's gonna be sick. And it's nothing to do with trading, by the way. It's out of the trading universe. It's a completely different niche. And it kind of overlapped, but not because of trading, but because of the outcome of trading, if that makes sense. But when you see this, you can just tell me your honest opinion so I can see if we should fix anything. But enough of that, let's focus on the trading. I still think we're gonna push higher, so let's just sit and chill and wait. I still think we're gonna push higher, so let's wait. Because we have to think about if we use one contract, we have to see at least 100 pips ahead of us. And I think if we sell here, I don't really see a clean 100 pips, if you know what I mean. But if we sell higher at a premium, I think 100 pips is more likely to happen. That's why I didn't enter on this one. I tried to take you on Telegram and did not get any response. Is that normal? I mean, it is low-key normal because I have so many people texting. But if you text again, I normally see it. Like, if I can see you have multiple text, I normally see it because my eyes will see it more than just one, if that makes sense. So just text again and I will see it. Did you mean trader Samco? He's great. I have no idea who that is. I mean, the guy I work with has nothing to do with trading. It's nothing with trading. It's a completely different niche. Come on, Goldie. Just give us the buy some gold. Bam, bam. I'm greedy but still light. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. Should we try TikTok, guys? Just for fun, because I'm tired of the YouTube music. The music on TikTok on YouTube is so bad. I miss the vibes where I can just sit and, you know. Don't TikTok block accounts for this? Yeah, I know, it's fucking annoying. I'm just tired of not listening to music that I love. Like, this music just, you know. It's just annoying music. Looks like we're getting towards the sell zones, like the real sell zones, which is good. What are you looking for before entry? I mean, I have 68 and 74, which I think is over, like, so much better. So much better. And I said that from the beginning of the stream, that I don't think the first sell zone is worth it. And as we can see, it's not worth it. So it was that was the right thing. You can see I have it right here. Let me show you. Those two blue lines are the sell zones I think that is worth, and that has best potential for 100 pips. So then I'm looking forward for that. That's why I placed the buy zone down here, so we could get that first, but didn't pull back first. Shows again, didn't see. I mean, it's just right here. I'm gonna go live once we get close. I'm gonna go live once we get close. I'm not gonna take the first zone. I'm just gonna let it run through it. I'm not gonna take it. I think I'm gonna go off now. I was hoping to get the buy zone first, and I'm not gonna take the sell zone. I don't think it's worth. But once we get close to 68, you can put a blue line at 68 if you have Topstep, and then you can kind of know when I'm about to go live. And then we're gonna take that. That is way better. 68 or 74. those are the two best options. I think, yeah, those 274 might actually be the banger, but let's wait and see. I'm gonna go live once we get close to the real zones. Okay. See you guys. Love you all.